Bienvenidos!
Wagwan.
Bonjour.
Assalamu alaikum.
欢迎
All CUNY patrons are able to borrow circulating books from any library in the CUNY library system. Books borrowed at one CUNY library may be returned at another. In addition, you may opt to have a circulating book from one CUNY library sent to the CUNY library most convenient to you by using the CLICS service. A circulating book is one that you can borrow for several weeks. This does not include reserve books, reference books, or DVDs. In order to use CLICS, you must first activate your ID card, which is also your library card, at the circulation desk of any CCNY library. Let's see how CLICS works by conducting a book search on OneSearch, the CUNY Library Systems catalog. Start on the CCNY Library's homepage at library.ccny.cuny.edu. Let's search for Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now, A Guide to Spiritual Enlightenment by clicking on the OneSearch icon on the bottom middle portion of our screen. Next, click on the advanced search link to the right of the search bar and then choose the radio button for CUNY so that you are searching all CUNY libraries in the event this book is not at City College. Since we know the title of the book we're looking for, we can type the title into the title field, and since we also know the author, we can use a separate row to type in the author's name. We get one result with two versions. Since City College is not listed immediately on the screen, chances are that we don't own this book and will need to request it via CLICS. Let's click on the book title to get into the book record and scroll down to the bottom to see which libraries have this book. Above that list, you'll note that there's a location section with a sign-in option. Click on Sign In and enter the 14-digit barcode from the back of your ID card. This same barcode is your password, unless you change it. Once you sign in, your name will be on the upper right-hand side of the browser. Scroll down and under the location section again, choose the pickup library and then select a delivery destination. Click Send Request and you should see a green Action Succeeded message, meaning that your request has been sent for processing. When a CLICS book arrives at our campus, the Cohen Library Circulation Desk will notify you via email to your CityMail account, so be sure to check your CityMail account. Books may take up to 1 week to arrive, so please allow 1 week to pass before following up with Circulation Desk staff.
See you soon.
Arrivederci.
Nos vemos pronto!
Khudafis.
待会儿见。
Likumur.
Sayonara.
Et à bientôt.